I have a Lance 1575 camper with a Truma 13.5K air conditioner on top, and I bought a Westinghouse 2550 generator to run the air conditioner, and when I first tried it, it wouldn't start it at all. I called an RV service to see about getting a soft start installed, and they wanted $500 to install it plus the cost of the part, and I didn't want to pay that. And I saw that the instructions for this particular soft start were online, and it's something I thought I could do, so I decided to do it. And it took me about an hour to put it in. I started it up, and the air conditioner started. So now when we go camping on the hot days, out boondocking with our camper, we can run an air conditioner and stay cool.